Good morning and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to the online class. I hope so you all are doing good. Today we are going to study adjective clause. This is grammar lesson number 6 of Understand and Communicate book 3 given on page number 133. Now what is an adjective? Adjective is a word that modifies or that describes a noun or pronoun. An adjective clause means a sentence that describes or modifies the noun or pronoun. Adjective clause is a subordinate clause which describes or modifies the noun or pronoun of main clause. So adjective clause is a subordinate clause and it describes the subject of main clause, and it can be a noun or a pronoun. Adjective clause always starts with a relative pronoun. Relative pronouns are who, whom, whose, which, and that. Which and that have the same function. Who is used for persons, which and that is used for animals, which is used for animals, and that is used, which and that both are used for things. For example, the umbrella which has a broken handle is mine. Now which has a broken handle is adjective clause. It's starting with a relative pronoun and it is modifying the subject of main clause, and that is a noun, umbrella. There are two kinds of adjective clause: defining or restrictive, non-defining or non-restrictive. A defining or restrictive clause defines the meaning of a noun and provides necessary information about the noun in the sentence. This kind of clause, adjective clause, gives us important information about the subject of main clause. Like it defines the meaning of a noun and provides necessary information that cannot be omitted. So defining or restrictive type of adjective clause is the clause that gives us important information about the subject of main clause and that cannot be omitted from the sentence. For example, the student who sits in the back of the room asks a lot of questions. Who sits in the back of the room is the subordinate clause, and this is giving us important information about the subject of main clause, and that is the student. The student who sits in the back of the room asks a lot of questions. Non-defining or non-restrictive. A non-defining clause adds additional information to a sentence, and this information is not important and is not necessary. It can be omitted from the sentence as well. Non-defining or non-restrictive type of adjective clause is or adds additional information to a sentence. I have found the article which I have been looking. Which I have been looking is the subordinate clause, and this is a kind of an extra information, additional information which is not needed. And non-defining or non-restrictive type of adjective clause is separated from the main clause by putting comma. Adjective clause can come in the center of a sentence and at the end as well. Non-defining clause must be separated from the main clause by commas. Relative pronoun that cannot be used with a non-defining adjective clause. Relative pronoun whom or which may be omitted from defining adjective clause. A non-defining clause is separated from main clause by putting comma. Relative pronoun that cannot be used with a non-defining adjective. So in a non-defining clause or non-restrictive clause, that relative pronoun cannot be used, only which can be used in non-defining clause. And relative pronoun whom or which may be omitted from the defining adjective clause. And in defining adjective clause, relative pronoun whom and which may be omitted. For example, all the guests they invited turned up. The sentences in which we don't have any relative pronoun but there is a subordinate clause, it shows that it is a defining clause or a restrictive clause. So adjective clause is a clause that describes or modifies the subject of main clause, and it is a subordinate clause. It starts with a relative pronoun. It has two kinds, defining and non-defining. A defining clause is a clause that gives us important information about the subject of main clause, and non-defining is a clause that adds additional information to a sentence, additional information about the subject of main clause. And non-defining is separated from the main clause by adding commas. That is not used in the defining clause, non-defining clause. And relative pronoun whom or which are omitted in some cases from the defining clause, so defining adjective clause.